Jigsaws traditionally, a lot of people look at them quite a fierce, obtrusive thing. A lot of people don't actually like using them whatsoever. What we've done is we've come out with what we call the compact range. So it's a much, much smaller range of jigsaws that are more ergonomic, more easy to handle, a little bit lighter, slightly more power on the motor, and just a few more features and benefits on them. This particular one is our easy model, the sort of thing that if you don't use a jigsaw, this one is actually for you. It saws all types of things, depend on the blade you actually put in it. Metal cutting blades, wood cutting blades. Low vibration, it's actually written on the label there. That just transfers the vibration so you're not actually feeling it up through the handle. That little blower symbol, that stops you having to bend down and go constantly. Turn the blower on, it actually blow the dust away as you actually saw through the unit. On the entire range we have this SDS click type system where you just push the blade in to actually click it into place and then just pull that lever back and it will actually just release the blade again. I'm going to use the universal jigsaw first, has that pendulum action. And in the zero mode the blade would just go up and down, and as you push the pendulum action lever around, the blade would go slightly further forward. This type of thing you typically use for cutting a lot faster, roughly about 40% quicker than a normal cut. We also have this extra feature which is a line control, cut control, so you get a good line to follow. Safety first, obviously, put my lovely safety glasses on. I'm just going to stop it there and I'm just going to switch a pendulum action on just to give you an idea how much more speed it actually creates. Start the machine back up again, slightly back from the actual cut that you've made. And there you go. I'm actually going to put a metal blade in the jigsaw now. I'm going to show it cutting some perspex. Now traditionally perspex is quite a difficult thing to cut. With the added speed of the Bosch PST 800, it really does give you a nice clean, easy cut. You need that really, really fine cut with it. If you use a wood cutting blade, it's just going to chip and crack it and break it. So there's loads of features, but it's also what's on the inside that actually counts. The components, the balance, the composure of it, everything that's inside that makes it the tool that it actually is and gives you the control over the work that you're actually doing. Bosch are the purveyor of jigsaws. We invented them, made to last. That's what Bosch is all about and that's what they're synonymous with.